Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Dogecoin and give some predictions for the future. Disclaimer: this video does not encourage you to buy any of the cryptocurrencies or investing at all. This is just the opinion of an amateur, not a financial advisor. Before investing in cryptocurrency, I recommend talking to your financial advisor and doing your own research. Also, if you want to have a lifetime 10% discount on all commission fees on Binance, then click on the link in the description. I recommend watching this video until the very end, as you don't want to miss any of the info related to this coin. Alright, so first things first, let's remind ourselves what this project is. Like all cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin is a digital currency that can be bought and sold like an investment and spent like money. Although each crypto is unique, it shares some similarities with its better-known peers. Its code is based on the script for Litecoin, for example, but it has a couple key differences. Unlike Bitcoin, which has said 21 million is the finite amount of the digital currency, Dogecoin has 129 billion coins in circulation and will continue to make new blocks of coins available to mine each year. That's part of the reason one Dogecoin is currently valued at about 3 dimes and a Bitcoin is worth about $62,000. Although cryptos are gaining more acceptance as a currency for purchasing goods, Dogecoin doesn't have much mainstream real-world use. It has few niche markets, including using Dogecoin to tip online artists. And its main differentiator, its active online community, is what makes the oddball currency so fun. The group, which is active on Reddit, has raised money in Dogecoin, of course, for charitable causes. And in 2014, it successfully crowdfunded a sponsorship to get NASCAR driver Josh Wise to advertise Dogecoin on his car. Dogecoin is not so much an alternative deflationary numismatic instrument as it is an inflationary leisured exploration of community building around a crypto asset, wrote Usman Cohan, economist at the University of New South Wales Business School, in a paper updated in February about the digital currency. How did it start? Dogecoin was created December 6, 2013 by a pair of software engineers as a joke. Billy Marcus, an IBM programmer from Portland, Oregon, set to differentiate his crypto from Bitcoin, which was steeped in mystery with an anonymous creator and, at the time, attracted a small niche group of miners. Marcus wanted his cryptocurrency to be open to the masses, according to Cohan. Marcus looked for help to make his weird dream a reality and found Jackson Palmer, who worked for Adobe. Palmer purchased the domain Dogecoin.com, a nod to the Doge meme that was all over the internet at the time. The website nods to its joke origins at the very top. Its Shiba Inu mascot is the first image on the page, mimicking the meme that inspired it, which features the same dog surrounded by a bunch of Comic Sans text in broken English. On Dogecoin.com, its mascot is captioned, "Dogecoin is an open-source peer-to-peer digital currency, favored by Shiba Inus worldwide." So why is it so popular, all of a sudden? Dogecoin is no longer a joke. Its popularity has soared astronomically. This year, buoyed by, in part, the mainstream adoption of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But Elon Musk is the loudest and most prominent supporter of Dogecoin. One of his bizarre tweets to his 50 million followers can send the crypto surging. That's what happened on Friday when Musk tweeted Doge barking at the moon and shared a photo of a painting by Spanish artist Joan Miro, which is titled Dog Barking at the Moon. Dogecoin has also something of a cult status on internet message board Reddit, where a popular group, not unlike the Wall Street Bets group behind GameStop's rally, decided earlier this year to propel its value to the moon. Dogecoin soared over 600% in the wake of that push. Whether or not it's a smart investment remains an active question. The more actively traded and more widely accepted Bitcoin is subject to extreme volatility, so Dogecoin too could crumble without warning. But its rise this year has been stunning. Not benefiting from the coin's soaring growth is Marcus, who sold all his Dogecoin when he was laid off in 2015. He used it to buy a Honda Civic. Alright, so now let's move closer to a price prediction. While April has been a positive period for digital assets, the collective asset class faced its first major correction in the month over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin was pushed down to test price levels last witnessed on the 25th of March, while Ethereum briefly dipped below $2,000. Other assets such as Cardano, Binance Coin, and Chainlink also saw a correction, but interestingly, the headlines are currently being stolen by the community's beloved Dogecoin. Surprisingly, Dogecoin failed to register a drastic correction over the past day. Its decline from 45 cents to 24 cents was relatively measured and slow-paced over its 300% hike. The chart above clearly indicates the disassociation from the rest of the market, which is rare for a coin rallying on sentiment and not fundamentals. However, the question remains, can Dogecoin keep it up? Start with the basics. Dogecoin fundamentals. Data from In the Block suggested that addresses buying between 25 cents and 31 cents are currently more out of money, as a whopping 16 billion Doge were bought by 64,000 addresses between 0.305 cents and 31 cents. These particular addresses were currently out of money and possibly emphasizes a level of resistance for the current price action. However, as mentioned in the previous article, the majority of addresses buying Doge before the 12th of April or under 0.065 cents are in profit. That's 3.39 million addresses, which increases the current likelihood of hodling beyond the present price range. The network hash rate has witnessed a long-term increase, which suggests increased stability and security of the network, rising from 179 terahashes per second on October 19, 2020 to 293 terahashes per second on April 15, 2021. However, the chart below is where fundamentals take a hit when Dogecoin's actual price action is evaluated. The chart on the left takes into account the previous rally of Dogecoin witnessed during the first week of February, increasing by close to 1,100%. Over time, Doge underwent a proper correction phase where the asset dropped down to the 0.50 Fibonacci line, which is usually considered a decent buy range for any asset. Till the start of April, the asset continued to consolidate in this range and established a healthy support range between 0.0473 cents and 0.0568 cents, highlighted in the chart. Now, any asset adhering to the market fundamentals would witness a maximum gain of 2 times from the previous top and possibly consolidate before another rise. A generous target would have been 14 cents. However, Dogecoin threw the rulebook out of the window and surpassed the expected top by another 167%, which is the actual price action on the right-hand side. This is the same euphoric behavior imitated by certain assets back in 2017 and has helped Doge's popularity to surge. Fundamentals do not explain the present price chart, but the community does not care as capital is flowing into their pockets. Why is April 20th so special? Since the narrative has been drawn that Dogecoin is possibly rallying on the market sentiment more than anything else, Twitter is currently exploding with Dogecoiners coming together to possibly push the meme token on April 20th, or 420 as they speak. 2020. Me. Should I buy Dogecoin on 420? Financial advisor. Slaps me. Don't be an idiot. 2021. Me. Should I buy Dogecoin on 420? Financial advisor. Crying in the fetal position on the floor. I don't know. Hashtag Dogecoin 420 has registered massive traction over the past day, and Lunar Crush statistics speak for themselves. Social engagement for Dogecoin is currently 931%, with social dominance over 536%. The sentiment received by Dogecoin is beyond any expectation, considering Elon Musk hasn't tweeted anything about Dogecoin either in the past week. Is Doge going to the moon? A week prior, a reasonable market study would have pointed out that the current price position of Dogecoin was ridiculous. However, as explained earlier, the grip on Doge by the community far exceeds fundamentals at the moment. And while investing in the asset remains as risky as possible, the returns are there to be made for daredevil traders. By the way, if you're wondering, where do you buy Doge? You can follow the links in the description and additionally get extra discounts. But note that I'm not forcing you to invest in this project. It's 100% your personal decision. We really hope this video was interesting to watch and gave you some info about this topic. Thanks for watching.